Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use VLOOKUP to search for data in Google Sheets. So, first, of course, I will tell you what VLOOKUP does. VLOOKUP basically finds a value in the first column of a table and gives you the value from another column in the same row. So first you will make a simple data. So as you can see, I already have my simple data table here. Now you will have to make the first column the one you will search, and then pick a cell to type the name to search for. For example, E1, and then pick a cell to show the result. So F2, which is right here. And then what you will do is enter the VLOOKUP formula in F2. So for example, this right here. Make sure by the way that you won't be making any mistakes. And now what you will do is basically Jake is the name that you want to find. And then A2 column C4 is your table, and for the 2 it's the column to return, which is the email, and for the false it's the exact match. And then once you hit enter, you will see the email. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.